Ethan, get him to sit on the log here.
Faster, Ethan.
Brennan.
Why?
We're gonna take a picture.
Why?
Cheese. Brinley's cooperating.
Good job, Brinley.
Look at me and say
Wyatt, are you
cheese.
going in?
Brennan,
Daddy.
sit there and say
Sit
cheese.
next to Brinley.
Then
No,
you can
Brennan,
put some more.
get-
Brennan, what if
get
they
close
give you
to
a
Brinley.
carrot?
I'll
Then-
give you Tic Tacs if you do a good job.
Okay, go closer.
Brinley.
Brinley.
Ethan, put your hands down.
Christian, you should once
Put, okay, go ahead and put Wyatt
they're
in.
down, get Wyatt in there so we can
You big girl.
get one of all of them.
Alright, Ethan, we're gonna hold on
We're gonna get a picture with Wyatt.
Okay.
Like, just make sure he doesn't tip over and doesn't poop. I'll be happy. Come here, dear. Come here, dear.
Here, Christian.
Ready? Look at
What?
Grandma. Wyatt.
Wyatt, Ethan,
Don't
Brinley.
Cheese.
Doesn't like that.
Honey, don't hang onto his head.
Brennan, look at me. Cheese.
Wyatt.
Cheese.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Hi.